Hi, I'm Mrs. Bronsma. I am a science teacher at the high school. This will be my 16th year of teaching at Mona Shores, and I teach physics, I teach earth science, I teach astronomy, and I have a couple sections of virtual learning this year. And I look forward to getting to know you and meeting you in whatever class I might have you in throughout the year. Some of my favorite things to do are spend time with my family. I have two daughters, Harper and Finley. They are 9 and 6, going into 3rd and 1st grade. I have a husband, Nick, Mr. B, Mr. Bronsma. He is a 4th grade teacher at Ross Park. He taught kindergarten there for 10 years, and he's in his, 3rd year of 4th grade now. So some of you maybe know Mr. B from Ross Park. Some hobbies of mine include, obviously, I have a pool. Got that in the background for you there. We love to swim. My family loves to swim. We spend a lot of time out here swimming. We spend a lot of time out here playing. The kids got a huge trampoline this year, so we spend a lot of time out here with friends and family. Other things I love to do, I run. It's sort of my time for me. I have a few friends that I run with, and it keeps me sane. I also love to read this summer. Well, since March, I've read, I think 6. I'm on my 7th book right now, so I did a lot of reading. And I just look forward to a great school year. I'm so excited to be back and to be back in the classroom, and can't wait to get to know all of you. Go Shores!